Hey everyone, today I'll be showing how to make cold pressed avocado oil. So I got one very ripe avocado. So I'm just going to slice into two to scoop out the avocado paste. After scooping it out, I'm going to spread the avocado paste on this tray. I'm going to spread it well. After spreading it well in this tray, I'm going to place it in a warm place. I won't place it directly to the sun. I place it in a warm place. So this was what I got after spreading it in a warm place for like 2 hours. So what I'll be doing now is I'm going to keep on respreading it on the tray because the upper part got dried while the one beneath was still kind of soft. They are not as dry as the upper part. So this is what I'll keep on doing after checking it every 2 hours. I keep on stirring it so that everything can get dry in the same way. So I did this spreading for like 4 to 5 times before I got this dry consistency. So this was the second day. This is what I got the second day. As you can see, everything is now dried. Even while touching it, I can feel the oil. Even on my spoon, I can feel the oil. My spoon doesn't stick to the paste anymore. As I'm using my spoon to touch the paste, you can see it's now oily. So now it's time to bring out our oil, extract our oil from the paste. So because I used just one avocado, I was not able to get enough oil. So if you want to try this method, you can use like 3 avocado or 4 avocado for you to get enough oil. So now let's extract our oil from the paste. I'll be using a cheesecloth to extract the oil. And so this is the little oil I got from one avocado. Remember, avocado oil is good for the skin. It's also good for the hair. So it aids hair growth and it aids skin freshness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye.